5 car services that protect your gearbox, steering, drivetrain, ignition, electrical system. If your car shifts hard, steers heavy, or won't start, sometimes these 5 services are the reason. Ignoring them leads to very expensive repairs. Many drivers think only engine oil matters, but other systems fail just as fast when ignored. In this video, I'll explain 5 critical services that protect your gearbox, steering, drivetrain, ignition, and electrical system. The gearbox controls how engine power is transferred to the wheels, allowing smooth acceleration, efficient fuel usage, and proper driving speed. Inside the transmission, many gears, clutches, and valves operate under high pressure and temperature. Clean transmission fluid is essential because it lubricates moving parts, removes heat, and ensures smooth shifting. When fluid becomes dirty or low, friction increases, shifting becomes rough, and internal wear starts silently, eventually leading to slipping, jerking, and serious mechanical damage. Common warning signs of gearbox trouble include delayed shifting, vibration during gear change, burning smell, and strange noises. Ignoring these symptoms can result in total transmission failure, one of the most expensive repairs in any vehicle. Regular fluid replacement, filter cleaning, leak inspection, and software calibration in modern vehicles help extend gearbox life, improve fuel efficiency, and maintain driving comfort. Simple preventive service can save thousands in future repair costs. If gearbox servicing is ignored, dirty or low transmission fluid causes overheating, clutch slip, harsh shifting, gear grinding, and internal bearing in gear wear, eventually leading to total transmission failure, one of the most expensive repairs in a vehicle. Repair often requires full gearbox overhaul or replacement, which is extremely costly. To fix and prevent this, regularly change transmission fluid and filters. Transmission fluid lubricates gears, cools the gearbox, and ensures smooth gear changes. Dirty or low fluid causes hard shifting, slipping gears, and total transmission failure. Transmission repairs are among the most expensive and complex, which needs high skills. Transmission fluid service is cheap service and prevention from damage. Power steering fluid service. It can be explained as, power steering fluid helps you turn the steering wheel smoothly. The steering system allows the driver to control vehicle direction with accuracy and stability. Components such as the steering rack, tie rods, ball joints, and power steering system work together to provide smooth turning and road feedback. Proper steering service ensures easy handling, precise control, and safe driving, especially during high speeds, sharp turns, and emergency maneuvers. If steering components wear out, drivers may experience stiff steering, vibration, pulling to one side, wandering, or unusual noises when turning. These issues reduce control and increase accident risk. Regular inspection, wheel alignment, power steering fluid replacement, and joint lubrication improve safety, extend tire life, and enhance driving comfort. Old or low fluid damages the steering pump and makes steering heavy or noisy. Never ignore whining noises when turning the wheel. Ignoring steering system service leads to contaminated or low power steering fluid, which causes pump failure, steering rack damage, heavy steering, vibration, whining noise, and fluid leaks. Over time, the steering pump and rack can completely fail, requiring costly replacement. The fix is routine fluid replacement, early leak repair, belt inspection, and avoiding dry steering, turning wheels while stationary, to reduce pump load and extend system life. Differential oil service. Differential oil protects gears that transfer power to the wheels. The drivetrain transfers engine power to the wheels using components such as the drive shaft, differential, axles, CV joints, and universal joints. This system must operate smoothly to deliver stable acceleration, traction, and road grip. Clean lubrication and proper alignment. And avoiding dry steering, turning wheels while stationary, to reduce pump load and extend system life, are essential for minimizing vibration, friction, and mechanical stress. When drivetrain components wear out, drivers may notice vibration, clunking noises, loss of traction, and reduced fuel efficiency. Ignoring drivetrain service leads to axle damage, bearing failure, and differential breakdown. Axle failure, and even total differential seizure. If ignored, worn oil causes whining noises, overheating, and gear damage. Differentials work under heavy load, that clean oil is critical. If this information is helping you, please like the video and subscribe for more real car knowledge. Dear my followers, note that this video is designed for both petrol and diesel vehicles. The service principles I explain, inspection steps, fluid checks, safety tips, and maintenance practices, apply to all internal combustion engines, regardless of ignition type. While a few components may differ slightly between petrol and diesel systems, the core service methods remain the same. So whether you drive a patrol car or a diesel vehicle, this guide will help you understand, maintain, and protect your engine and drivetrain properly. Spark plug service. The ignition system controls spark timing and strength, allowing the air-fuel mixture to ignite properly inside the engine. Key parts include spark plugs, ignition coils, sensors, and control modules. A healthy ignition system ensures smooth starting, strong acceleration, stable idling, and optimal fuel economy. Faulty ignition causes misfiring, hard starting, rough idling, engine hesitation, and increased fuel consumption. Over time, unburned fuel damages catalytic converters and engine components. Replacing spark plugs, inspecting coils, cleaning sensors, and updating engine control software greatly improve performance, reliability, and emission control. You understand from spark plug explanation that they ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the engine. Ignoring electrical maintenance leads to battery failure, alternator burnout, wiring corrosion, sensor malfunctions, and computer faults, resulting in no-start conditions, dashboard warning lights, and unpredictable vehicle behavior. Repairs can become complex and costly due to diagnostic labor and module replacement. Prevention includes battery testing, terminal cleaning, charging system checks, wiring inspections, and protecting connectors from moisture and corrosion. If you ignore to service worn spark plugs cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and weak acceleration. Bad spark plugs often feel like bigger engine problems. Battery terminal service. Battery terminals deliver electrical power to the entire vehicle. Modern vehicles depend heavily on electrical systems for engine control, lighting, safety features, infotainment, and charging. Prevent breakdowns, protect expensive modules, and ensure system stability. When ignition components like spark plugs, coils, and wiring are neglected, misfiring occurs, causing poor fuel economy, rough idle, hard starting, catalytic converter damage, and engine overheating. Continued driving can destroy expensive exhaust components and even damage pistons and valves. Fixing this involves regular spark plug replacement, coil testing, wiring inspection, and immediate repair. Repair of misfires to maintain smooth and efficient combustion. Ignoring battery terminal creates corrosion which causes starting problems, flickering lights, and electrical failure. Clean terminals regularly, especially in hot or humid climates. These 5 services protect the gearbox, steering system, drivetrain, ignition, and electrical supply. Ignoring them leads to breakdowns that could have been avoided. Subscribe for the next video covering safety, suspension, timing belt, AC, and fuel injection services. Also check my shorts for quick car tips.